Hi YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. As always, we have some more exciting projects to do today. If you missed yesterday's episode, make sure you go and catch up with it because we actually did some wall pops paper in Dayton's bedroom and painted some gorgeous mustard yellow paint on the walls. It looks amazing. And today we're gonna accent this room by getting flooring started in the upstairs. This is something we have wanted to do since we bought this house, and so this is going to extremely transform the entire upstairs through both bedrooms, down the hallway, into the bathroom, and through our new open closet. We also cut the hole yesterday where the saltwater tank is going to go. And we're gonna do a bunch of progress on the actual flooring today, and then I'm going to start a mural in Chase's bedroom. Let's get working. So I also spent a bunch of time last night taking out the boys' workstations. I still have to take out the one in Chase's bedroom, but I ripped all of this down because this wall is not going to be black. We have other plans for this area and we're gonna take it down in Chase's room also. Philip's gonna remove all of the doors and cut all of the door jambs so we can run the actual flooring really seamlessly through the whole upstairs. So we're gonna get started on that first, and then we're gonna carry in all the boxes of flooring. Any YouTube family members wanna help carry flooring?
When doing any major project, I think preparation is the key to any success and to the end.
When you're starting any project, prep work sometimes is tedious, but it's gonna give you the best results, right?
Right now we're gonna pop off all the doors upstairs, and then when we're done taking the doors off, we're gonna go around and mark all our door jambs and cut our door jambs so when we're laying our floor, we don't have any hiccups through the whole movement of laying down the floor. We want a seamless, smoothless operation going on.
I thought you were gonna say my favorite word, cohesive. Upstairs.
I was getting to it. I was planning it out. We want a seamless, cohesive.
Ooh, you look good against that color, Finny.
The escape artist.
We interrupt this program for puppy cuddles. You're getting pretty big, Finny. The YouTube family wanted to see you.
I'm sweating just carrying her.
She's so big.
She's going back to her pack.
They've been playing in the backyard today. It's so nice out. Okay, so Finn is our adventurer and Nova is our sweet girl. She is a daddy's girl through and through. Hi, Nova.
But she's also getting really big.
She's a cute girl too. Say hi, YouTube family. Oh, you're so big. Look at your dirty paws playing in the yard today.
Well, it's such a nice day last couple of days.
I know, Denny's in the back.
Yeah.
But we wanted to update you and show you guys how good the girls are doing. And we love them to pieces.
And they're the best friends.
Aww.
They are so sweet together, and Gunner's so sweet with them. It's so good. And she truly is daddy's girl.
Yeah, this is daddy's girl right
She
here.
just wants to sit on my lap for hours. And
So
I allow
cuddly.
it. Yeah, I allow it.
And Gunny's my boy. Gunny boy.
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna go play with your friends?
Pull me back with the back. Sometimes it's easier just to pop the hinges.
Literally. Pop the hinges. There's actually a ton of doors up here.
They have really cool old handles.
Yeah,
They're
the
really nice.
crystal ball handles.
Yeah, I like them.
Philip's using the height of the flooring to mark on the door jambs where he needs to cut. That way the flooring will lay just underneath the jambs and we won't have to fuss with making all these strange cuts around the corners. It'll make it look really seamless along the edges, and then of course the trim around the room will also sit on top of the flooring rather than just butting it up against the wall, because that all needs to get sanded and repainted anyway, so we can get that nice thick white chunky trim back up along the bottom of the wall here.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves.
Let the fun begin. We're gonna start laying our flooring. This is gorgeous flooring. So this is vinyl and it's click floor, so it's super easy. You don't even have to glue this down. How amazing is that? So we love that it has all of the grains we were looking for to kind of look like birchwood. and it's actually textured, and this is super kid and pet friendly. So I'm thrilled to have this up in the boys' rooms. I mixed up a couple of the cases so I didn't have as many reprints if there was actual pattern, like multiple patterns in the same boxes, and kind of just scrambled them up. So I think this will give the pattern a little bit more of like a sporadic look.
Making moves, trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more.
I'm at my first cut piece. I'm just gonna make a measurement, and the good thing about this flooring is you don't need any power tools. I'm just going to use a square and an X-Acto knife and cut it, and then be able to click it into place. So this is really user-friendly.
In the stillness, somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you were lost and this is a clue.
Here we go. First one's a little nerve-wracking because you don't want to break it. I'm gonna cut that piece. I'm just gonna start going into the closet. Because we have a sliver here and a section, and then it'll go that way.
Straight in. Solid piece.
Yeah.
I think we're going for the no transition strips up here.
No transition strips. Definitely don't want them going in the closet. We want everything to go all the way through with no seams.
No seams, just super cohesive.
Super cohesive. Wait till those big ones in, Day, and then you can help me cut one of the pieces.
Yeah, well, does any one of those pieces fit there?
No, because those are cut pieces from the other end. We're gonna get the next big piece ready. It's pretty easy to do, isn't it, Chase?
Yeah. Once you do the first, once you do like one or two of them.
Yeah, that's it. Good job, Day. Teamwork makes the dream work. All right, now you can put that full piece that you're dying to put on. Maybe come from this side, okay? Oh, almost there, Day. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Lay it down. Good job. Hey, leave me hanging. Good job. All right, find your next piece.
When you feel like you're being watched. Like
Yep.
a little shorter on the
One piece can go right there. Wide side has to go. Good job. Just tricking you. There you go. Good job. Nice job. You got it?
Yeah.
Wow.
So nice.
This floor is incredible.
And really easy to lay. So fun.
Beautiful.
I'm so happy with the floor. We just completed Dayton's room. We're already working our way through the closet and down the hallway just with some runoffs from his room. And so stay tuned for tomorrow because we're hoping to have the entire upstairs completely floored by end of day tomorrow. And we were kind of on a roll with the flooring, so I didn't actually start Chase's mural, but that is on the agenda for tomorrow as well. He's picked all his colors. He knows exactly what he wants to have behind his bed. And in front of their beds, actually where their beds are gonna be, are going to be epic DIYs that we're actually building them some beds that are gonna match the themes to their bedrooms. And I think tomorrow or Wednesday, the supplies from our favorite McDonald's is going to be actually in and delivered to the house, which is super exciting. So stay tuned this week. We have lots more progress going up in the boys' rooms. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the floor. We're pretty excited about it. It really goes really well and it's really brightening up this upstairs. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode.